Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Update error code in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Update. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, MSI server. Type ren space, /lan /windows /software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type ren space, /lan /windows /system32 /catara2 space, catara2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Type net space, start space, MSI server. Exit and restart system. Third method is open any browser. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click Download .NET Framework. Fourth method is open any browser. Copy second URL from description and paste it. Click Download. Click Next to continue. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc space, /scano. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /check health. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /scan health. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.